In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. We'll walk through a simple, reliable method that works on most phones and computers, and I'll share a few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Before we start, only download videos you have permission to save, and make sure you follow Pinterest's terms and the creator's rights. Begin by opening Pinterest in your web browser or in the Pinterest app. Sign in if you need to, and make sure you've got a stable internet connection. Find the video pin you want to save. You can search, browse your home feed, or open a board. Tap or click the pin so it opens fully and confirm it's an actual video, not just a static image or a GIF preview. Next, look for the share option on the pin. On mobile, it's the curved arrow. On desktop, you'll see a share icon near the pin. Tap or click share, then choose copy link. That puts the direct URL on your clipboard. If you don't see copy link right away, open the three-dot menu and you should find it there. Now open in the new browser tab and go to a trusted third-party downloader, such as clickpin.com. On the page, tap into the input field and paste the link you just copied. Give it a second to detect the video. When it's ready, select download. The site will fetch the file and may show you quality or format choices. Pick the option you prefer, then confirm the download if your browser asks. Once the download starts, wait for it to complete. On iPhone or iPad, the file will land in the Files app, usually in the Downloads folder. From there, tap Share and choose Save Video to move it into Photos. On Android, check your Downloads folder or look in your Gallery app. If you're prompted for storage permission, allow it so the file can be saved. On a computer, your browser's Downloads folder is the default location. If you run into issues, make sure the pin is public and that the link wasn't truncated. Copy it again from the Share menu to be safe. Disable aggressive pop-up blockers just for the download if needed, and avoid clicking on unrelated ads. If audio is missing or quality looks off, try a different quality option if it's available. And that's all you need to do. Open Pinterest, choose a video, share and copy the link, paste it into the downloader, and press download. Enjoy your video in your gallery and always respect creators' content.